Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. With this video, I am going to start a new segment called Plant Bio. I am going to discuss sunlight requirement, fertilization frequency and watering frequency about the plant. First plant under this segment is money plant or pothos, which is loved by everyone. So let's begin. Money plant loves indirect sunlight. How can we identify that is from these aerial roots? You all might have observed this type of aerial roots coming out of each nodes. These aerial roots suggest that this type of plants which has aerial roots usually grows under the shade of other trees in a deep forest. So if you want to grow money plant, it is necessary and compulsory to grow it under the shade or under the indirect sunlight, because if you will grow this plant in direct sunlight, the leaf can burn. Now let us see what can happen if we grow the money plant in direct sunlight. So under such type of the condition, this type of leaf browning can occur because of the direct sunlight. So it is better to grow the money plant in indirect sunlight. This is my variegated money plant and it is known as Marble Queen. I want to share a secret regarding variegated money plant. See, if you put this type of variegated money plant in front of indirect sunlight, under the indirect sunlight, they will develop this type of variegations or like this. But if you transfer it under the place where there is no sunlight coming, then the plant will lose its variegation like this. It is the same plant, it is same Marble Queen, but during last few days we had clouds in the sky, and because of that the sunlight was not coming, and because of that the plant has lose all its variegation. So this is the effect of sunlight, you can see. Now let us discuss about the water requirements of money plant. Money plant loves water, so we have to water the money plant once you feel that top 1 inch soil or around 1.5 inch soil is dry. This rule is common for any kind of the plant. You have to water any of your plant once you feel that the upper soil is dry. So dip your finger in the soil, and if you feel that the soil is dry, water the plant. Otherwise do not water, because in most of the cases gardener make them plant die because of the overwatering and not because of the underwatering. Another thing is how to fertilize the money plant. I usually don't prefer to fertilize the money plant directly using the vermicompost or any kind of other solid compost. What I do is I spray once in a month NPK 19-19-19 on the foliage and on the aerial roots, and you can see the growth is quite nice. If you don't have NPK 19-19-19, then you can do one thing. You can feed your money plant once in a month using any kind of the vermicompost or any kind of the other organic compost. That is the way. Money plant grows faster in summer as well as in monsoon season, but the problem of summer season is that due to the high amount of sunlight, the foliage dries quickly because of the transpiration. So it is necessary to mist the plant during the summer season. Use this type of moss sticks to get bushier look of money plant. Use this type of hairpins to clip your money plant stem on the moss stick. I have used similar type of the hairpin to hold the stem of the money plant. The advantage of this method is that when you roll the stem of the money plant around the moss stick, and when you wet the moss stick, the aerial roots will help the foliage to get water directly from those points, and the growth will be much better compared to the usual way of growing the money plant. Another important point to discuss is grooming of the money plant. If you find this type of yellow leaves on your plant, remove them immediately, like this, because this type of leaves will unnecessarily utilize the energy of the plant. Any plant can have yellow leaves under two conditions. The first condition is that when the plant leaves become mature, and the another condition is that when you overwater the plant. So if you find more number of yellow leaves on your plant, check the frequency of watering and apply the water if it is needed. So brown leaves means more amount of the sunlight, and yellow leaves may be because of maturity or because of the overwatering. In my upcoming video, I am going to discuss how to get bushier look of money plant. So please stay connected, stay tuned. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching.